Welcome to Coconut Grove Sailing Club Wednesday night races. It is Wednesday, September 7th. We're out here with a really nice breeze of about 12 to 15 coming out of the northeast. It went left, now it's back in its original phase. Coming up on 30 seconds right now. 30 seconds. 25. Yep. 20 seconds. Sometimes that can pay off, right? Lined up for a great start right there. We got a lot of wind here, so the key really is to just reach along the line and trim in as soon as it comes. 10 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All clear! Alright, I really like the quad 4 one start here. If they trim in and head up a little bit, they can really kind of pinch off the rest of the fleet. Get a nice lead going there. Here we go. Windward beat on race 1. These are depowering conditions for sure. So we want to remember to strap on our outhaul, Cunningham, Bang, all our controls. Get that main nice and flat. I think these guys are heading a little bit far out to the left side of the course. There we go, Blue Boat tacked and Air America. Here we are in the top of race 1. Got a little bit of wave action out here. If these guys can trim in a little bit, 6109 right here, if they can trim in a little bit and heel the boat to lure, they might be able to pinch up and make it. Otherwise, the Blue Boat's coming in hot on the starboard lay line. Nice and flat. These guys understood the ley line a little bit, otherwise it would have been first. They possibly could have pinched up and made it. It would have been tight, but it would have been worth a try. And around they go. Here we go, coming in the finish on race 1. Even though these guys don't have a chute, they were still able to claim the overall victory. So it looks like Air America was able to pass Bellafiore on the downwind. Claim second. Race number 2 on September 7th for Coconut Grove Sailing Club. So it seems about every 18 to 20 minutes the breeze is going left about 15 degrees and then shifting back right. It's only staying left for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But if you can take notes and make that work to your advantage, you can obviously gain a lot of boats just by knowing that. Coming up on 1 minute, 1 second, here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute to the start for race number 2. As always, we went ahead and favored the pin a little bit. Kind of spread out the line, make sure no one clumps up at the start. The line's so big and there's only 5 boats out here, there's no point in fighting for position. I think it's best to just reach along the line and then trim in at 10 seconds to go so you have a lot of speed when you hit the line. 20 seconds. I'm liking Air America's place right now. Looks like 6109. 6109 is a little bit of a line. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All clear! Looks like 6109 did a dip start, and they were able to get to windward of Air America and take their air and over past them as they are right now. So if they continue over their good boat speed, they could tack in front of 111 and consolidate their lead. Looks like Air America isn't letting him have it so easily though. He's taking him up a little bit. Right now, the blue boat is commanding the fleet. They are in charge of what's happening. They can tack and clear these boats, and they can also keep those boats over on the left side of the course and force them down. Alright, so the blue boat still has the lead. What happened was, right after the start, the breeze went left. It went to one of those phases that I was talking about. They were able to make that, maximize their advantage off of that, and they stayed left and they rode port tack the entire way up the course. So now they're going to go to the starboard ley line and tack over. The breeze is still in that left phase a little bit. Overstood. Good bit, but it's alright. Blue boat rounding in first. Right, so as soon as we round the weather mark, we want to make sure to ease the Vang, ease the Cunningham, ease the outhaul, ease all of our controls that we put on for heavy air going upwind. Looks like Bellafiore has rights on Air America, I believe that is. So we see a boat on port here and a boat on starboard. The starboard boat has right away, of course. If they're both on the same tack, the boat going upwind has the right of way, the boat to leeward. Here we are coming to the finish for race number 2. Looks like Air America is mounting an attack. They went out on a hot angle and they're going to jibe and come in on another hot angle. Will the shoot pay off though, of number 75? Blue boat coming again with the lead. And over. Ooh, this is gonna be tight. $61.09, 75.
That was one.
1 minute. 1 minute to go on race number 3 for Coconut Grove Sailing Club Wednesday night series. Breeze has stayed consistent, however, it has gone a little bit left. Seems like it's staying there, maybe 5-10 degrees right here. Sorry?
Started? Are we started?
30 seconds. All right, got a lot of commotion over here at the boat start, and I agree, I would do the same thing. I get a boat start, go across on starboard tack for a while, and then tack on the port ley line, because it's going to be super far back. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. All clear! We're racing. I'm liking where these boats are. They're gonna use the left shift to their advantage as much as they can. Again, we can't put too much faith into it because it might shift back, but we can go to about there and then tack. Top mark for race number 3. These guys went left at the start, and it paid off. The breeze went back right, but they were able to tack on the shift and carry it back and make it work to their advantage. So now they're going to come here, and they should tack right now. Nice rounding. All right, finished race 3. So I believe these guys rounded in 3rd, but they set the chute, and since everyone was so condensed, they were able to accelerate past the rest of the fleet and then end up with a 1st. Nice job, guys. And then it's going to be Air America, Blue Boat, OB. "30 seconds in race number 4. 30 seconds. "18 seconds, turn around. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All clear! All right, so we're still in a little bit of a left shift. think it's going to stay left for the entire race. It's only 5 or 10 degrees, but it makes a difference still, especially with the ley line. So Tempest is trying to do what 6109 did, and they were first to the weather mark last race. Top mark on race 4. People are still overstanding the weather mark a lot. A lot. By like 5 or 6 boat lengths. Looks like the blue boat ended up coming through there. And they just went out the middle of the course. No, I'm sorry. They went far left. They went all the way left. And used the left shift to their advantage. Alright, here we go. 2250 coming in. And they have cover over the girls. But, oh no, I'm sorry, it's not the girls. Number 75. 75's got their chute, so we'll see what they do downwind. We gotta ease the main before we can head down. That's a big thing, especially in big air. If that main's not eased, the boat's gonna keep having weather helm. The rudder is tilted in the water and the boat is not gonna turn at all. Finish race number 4. We got the blue boat coming in to claim the overall victory for the night. Woo! Nice racing, boys. That's it. That's it. See you at the bar. Ooh, looks like 4156 is barely gonna beat out 6109 here. And we got the Spinnaker boat coming in. Followed by 1881 and 2250. All right, see you next week.